Hello and welcome. I am Tahir. In this video, I will show you how you can install Linux Lite on your old computer. Linux Lite is a very simple, fast and free operating system. It is another Linux distribution just like Ubuntu, Linux Mint and many other distributions. But Linux Lite is much faster and simpler than Ubuntu and Linux Mint. And you can also install it on your old hardware. So if we go to download page, here you can see requirements. The minimum requirement for this distro is 1 GHz processor and 768 MB RAM, while you need 8 GB storage. If you are using Windows, you can install Rufus and Etcher to create USB flash drive. I'm using Linux Mint on this particular machine. Here you can see I have installed Linux Mint. So let's install UNet Bootin. It is a very simple and free program to create bootable USB on your Linux machine. So simply copy this command, open terminal and paste this command. Now I need to type my password. Let's copy second command. And now the final third command to install UNet Bootin. You can go to download page to download Linux Lite OS. I have already downloaded it and I have saved it on my desktop. Here you can see the ISO file. Once our UNet bootnet is installed, we can use it to create bootable USB. You also need a USB flash drive. I already have 8 GB USB flash drive, so let's insert our USB flash drive. Let's search for UNet Bootin. Yes, it is installed. Now close terminal. Let's go to computer. Now plug in your USB flash drive. I have already created a USB Now we need to format this USB flash drive. Let's select FAT32 and click format. Authenticate. Now we need to select our ISO image. Now we need to select our ISO image, and we have a USB drive. But our drive is not selected, so let's remove this drive and insert it again. Let's restart unit booting. Now select disk image. And SDB1. Now here you can see when I hover over my mouse on USB stick, you can see its name is Dev/SDB1. And it is selected here. Now click OK. And it will take some time to complete the process. Once this process is complete, you can begin your installation. I have another Core 2 Duo system with 4 GB of RAM and Core 2 Duo E8400 CPU. I will install this lightweight operating system on that particular machine. Now our installation is complete, and we can use this USB flash drive to install or run on any system. Here you can see some information. Here you can see some instructions. After rebooting, select the USB boot option in the BIOS boot menu. Now you can exit this. So let's install this using our So now we have successfully created our USB flash drive. We can install Linux Lite OS on our system.